You're among that 10 to 15 odd percent of people who still vote for the Congress party for whatever reason. You may see them as a pro-Muslim party or whatever, I don't know. But you got to decide now whether you will continue to be a supporter of a party that is a pro-Pakistan party. I'm saying it openly, I'm saying it clearly. In 1947, never trust the Congress party. It is a pro-Pakistan party. This is the same party which did not want war when Pakistan launched Operation Gibraltar in 1965. Never trust the Congress party. Even after our army gained an upper hand in 1965, this Congress leadership went and signed the Tashkent Agreement in January 1966, returning captured territory without achieving a permanent resolution in Kashmir. Never trust this Congress party. Never trust this family. It will always compromise our nation's interests. They did not even want war when Pakistani forces invaded India in Kargil in 1999. At that time, Sonia Gandhi cast doubt on the government's handling of the situation. They cited a report from the Guardian newspaper claiming the government had reached an agreement with Pakistan about the Kargil conflict 3 weeks before the cessation of hostilities. They did not attend the all-party meeting on Kargil but went on to ask for a Rajya Sabha discussion on Kargil. This party has always done politics. It is not a nationalist party. It does not believe India is a nation. It can never be trusted. There's something awfully wrong with what they are doing. And then they called Kargil a failure. They didn't want war when Mumbai was under siege for 26/11. They took no action. And Dr. Manmohan Singh said that we must continue the peace process.